Hello, thanks for joining us again at the Car Key Man. Today we're going to look at the problem of swapping over the blades from here, okay, in a repair kit, and easy ways to get the pin in and out of the key. Okay, so in the past we've sort of struggled a bit. We have been holding it in pliers. So we have found these. And we've been using them for about 3 months, and they're a really nice little set. Okay, so first off, there's 6 items in the set. Okay, and if we look at the punches first, they're all different. Okay, they are slightly different sizes, and they one is a longer one for if you've got a wider blade. Okay, so in there should be the punch to suit your every need. Okay. And the clever bit really are these 2 things here. This is the most important one, the thinner one. So the thinner one has a hole in the end, and the idea is, so the idea of this is that it holds the pin, so you can put the pin into the key blade holder, and to keep it in place you have a little magnet. Okay, we're going to pop that down for a minute. Then we will take the blade and pop it into the key, so it has to go the right way around. The slot has to go to the hole. Okay, so you can see lots of fresh air through there. And then, now we use one of these, but you can use whatever you can find to try and keep the blade out. And then it's just a simple case of, then you just find the hole and stand it up, give it a knock, and you can see here that the pin is now on its way. Okay, so that's the biggest problem you get, trying to get the pin into the start of the key. And then you get this little fella, and he's just got a blank end on it. Okay, a bit thicker. I guess the idea of that is that you just pop that on it and give it a knock. Now you want to make sure when you're using it, so you can see the pin starting to go in now, you want to make sure that when you're using this you don't try not to mark the key here. It's quite easy to do, so you need to use the edge. Okay, does that make sense? So you keep it, most of it, away from the key. I think we are there. So let's take it out, and hopefully, so you can see there, it has put a little mark on there. It's quite difficult not to mark these. Okay. So it's just a case of being a bit more careful. I'm filming it, so it's probably going to be a bit easier if you're not filming things. But you can see the pin's gone in fine. It all works fine. And so if you were swapping the old blade into this, that's all you need to do. So we really like these. I think they're going to make life a lot easier for us, and I'm sure they would for you too. Okay, you can get them on our Amazon page, or you can find them elsewhere as well, you know, if you don't want to, but you probably have to wait for them for a while to come from abroad. So they are a really nice little set, and we hope they are of some use to you. Alright, and that's it. See you next week.